Went to go geocaching today, but I didn't do very good. Didn't find one. So we got to be getting back to work. I'm at Fredrick's Landing today in Wilder, Kentucky. But I know where I live. See, all the beautiful honeysuckles are blooming. Makes me happy. They smell so good. Oh, I can smell a goose. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a goose down there. Yeah, I can barely see him right there. Little goose. Hey, little goose. All right. I've got crap all over me. Oh, they smell so good. They're so pretty. They smell so good. A lot more honeysuckles. I didn't even know this path was here until today. Guess because I never really came back here. I thought I wasn't allowed. I thought you had to be a resident of the city to come to this park, but I guess you just have to pay. But I didn't pay today because I didn't have enough time. Just stop here for a few minutes after my lunch break before I have to go back to work. Oh, it's such a beautiful day today. Wish I didn't have to go back to work. I wish I could just stay out here and play. Some more little birdies. See the Licking River over there. There's an old bridge over there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's an old bridge. We're almost to my car. There's little playgrounds over there. Looks cute. Little picnic shelter. Beautiful day to be outside walking. It's a beautiful day to be outside enjoying nature. I have to find that cache another day. Kind of gotten bad with caches. I try to find them, but if they're too hard to find, I just give up pretty quick. Which sucks because I really enjoy finding them. But I'm not patient enough. I need to go with somebody who is a little more patient than I am, I think. I don't know how far back that trail goes. It goes back there. I'll have to come down one day and check it out more when I have a little more time. In the car again, which means go home, go back to work.
Impact on women, healthcare,
We'll turn the radio down. Pretty warm day today. 84 degrees. It's perfect. Look at the park while we drive out. I don't know what that is, but the birds seem to like it. Yeah, we gotta let this guy go ahead of us. Oh, he's letting us go ahead then. Why, thank you, sir. Playground for kids. Oh, there it is. Trail rules. This trail closes at dark. We have to come down here and do it all one day. Oh, Jacob's Landing. Oh, that's it for today.